Hi everyone, it's Kelly Driver here. I'm on a roll today. I've just done a beautiful pink painting. Well, it's actually like let's call it a springtime painting. I used olive green and on a really pale pink base. And I've decided I want to have a go at doing one on a rectangular canvas using the same colours. So I've just taped up the base of my canvas and I'm just going to use the same colours that I did before. Let's do another painting. Titanium white is it was a little bit dodgy yesterday, so I'm not sure what's going on with it. It created a whole bunch of cells, which I was not expecting because there's no Floetrol in it. But I thought, seeing I'm going to experiment with a new composition, so I thought I'd experiment and see what happens, seeing that this Floetrol white paint was a bit funny anyway. So this is a real experimental piece today. So let's give it a whirl. I just had paint flying over and got my dishwasher. And on the floor. Brilliant, Kelly, brilliant. That's why I wear old clothes, very old clothes. I'm not sure if you ever catch any glimpses of my pants and my feet when I'm doing this, but they're quite hilarious. I have painting shoes these days because I get drips of paint on everything, and I really don't want to ruin my nice stuff. I've ruined too many tops, so I'm not going to do that anymore. Now, I watched Kanella Circao do a interesting composition that I've never tried before, where she did here and here. So I'm going to give that a go today. Phthalo blue. Olive green. Whoa, Kelly. And we'll do the Pabeo iridescent green yellow. Kelly. Everyone, this is not how you pour out paint. Do not follow my direction because I'm not impressed with myself. And the yellow, that's primary yellow. Kanella does it with lovely squeezy bottles, but I prefer cups. But today I'm not doing a very good example of working with cups. And then finally the light gold. I'm going to do quite a sprinkling with that, so that it doesn't sink. Okay, so I'll put some white here for flooding. Give it a torch. Wow. Wowee. Wowee. Woo. I'm going to do the same thing that I just did there in this corner here. Just torching in the area where the paint was, but I'm not going to torch up in this bit. Yeah, this white, this happened with my other painting where I got all these cells. That's why this was an experiment piece, because I didn't know what was going to happen with this white, so it was a good opportunity trying out this new composition. I don't know, it's just this side, this is exactly the same thing that happened yesterday. This side's great. This side, there's something funny here. I love the way it's come out there. That is so cool. I really don't like altering my paintings. I just don't like, I don't want to ruin this line on there. I like the way, I just want it to be organic. Okay, that will be good over there. That's fine. I'm not going to scrape any of it off. I'm going to leave it because I don't want to ruin anything. That's it. So here we are for a close-up. I'll start at the top. And again, we've got this real springtime feel going on here. And lots of cells with no flow-troll. So there's something in the white, oh, and also with the iridescent colour, definitely the iridescent green yellow. Look at that. Oh my goodness me, that is so cool. And down here, oh my goodness, what is that? It's unreal. And I'm so, I think this part here is, it's still organic. I didn't touch it at all, and I'm thankful for that because I really don't like fiddling around with paintings. It just generally ends up ruining the integrity of the painting. So the less it's fiddled with, the better, I feel. And anyway, this is gorgeous. So please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. And I actually think I'm going to do the pair to this now. I'm going to do the other one because I've got 2 of these canvases and that was really fun and I've got some time. So watch out, there's going to be another one coming. Okay, bye.